Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to your English class. And in our today's English class, we are going to do a comprehension. What are we going to do? Yes, comprehension. And how do we say it? Comprehension. Repeat it with me. Comprehension. So here lies a question, my dear students, that what is a comprehension? A comprehension passage is all about reading a paragraph and answering the questions related to it. What is it all about? Reading a paragraph and answering the questions related to it. So the paragraph we are going to read today is about No, I'm not going to tell you that. Let's make a guess about it. Let me give you some hints. Okay, so the paragraph is about an animal. The animal is small and furry. It can be pretty cute. And it flies around at night. Can you guess which animal is this? Think. Yes, my dear students, you got it right. This animal is a bat. And this is not a common bat. Its name is Benny. So, my dear students, do you want to learn about Benny? Yes? Then let's go to the comprehension passage in your workbooks on page number 74. But before reading the paragraph, let's learn some new words and their meanings. The first is hearing sense. It means an ability to hear sound. Second, moth. It means an insect with wings that is same like a butterfly. Usually flies at night and it likes to fly where there is light. Third, survive. It means to remain alive in a difficult situation. Fourth, awake. It means to wake up. Now, dear students, keep these words and their meanings in your mind and pencils in your hand. Now we are going to start our reading. Let's begin our reading and look at Benny's life in detail. The title of our comprehension is Benny. Benny is a bat. It has wings. It has small eyes. Benny has wings which helps it to fly, and its eyes are small. It cannot see well but can hear very well. Benny does not rely, or we can say depend, on its eyes much like we do. Instead, it uses its hearing ability. And do you know that it can hear even those sounds which we humans cannot? It has strong hearing sense, and this helps it to find its food at night. Do you remember, students? I have already told you the meaning of hearing sense. Yes, it means an ability to hear sound, and Benny has strong hearing sense, and this helps it to find its food at night. Oh, Benny heard about food and it's hungry. Let's ask Benny, what does it like to eat? Benny likes to eat small night flying bugs, moths, and mosquitoes. Here on your screen, you can see moth. Do you remember its meaning that I have already told you? Yes, it's an insect same like a butterfly. Normally flies at night and it likes to go where there is light. As we have many favorite food items, so does Benny, and she mostly likes to eat bugs. Do you know what are bugs? Yes, these are small insects. Now I have given her the food. During this time, let's read some more facts about Benny. During the day, Benny sleeps upside down in big trees and dark places, but it stays awake for the whole night. I've already told you the meaning of awake. Do you remember? Yes, it means to wake up. We humans sleep at night and work in the morning, but Benny does the opposite of it. It loves to sleep during the day and wakes up at night. And we in our houses have beds to sleep. We lie straight or take the side while sleeping. But Benny sleeps upside down in quiet, dark and hidden places like the roof of a cave or on big trees. But have you ever wondered, students, that how Benny hang upside down for so long? When I hang upside down from the swing, after some time I start to feel like my head is going to explode. My dear students, it's because Benny's body is made for a life upside down, and its muscles support or helps it to hang like this for a long time. Do you know that if we don't get food to eat, then we cannot live much longer, and same is the case with Benny. It can survive up to 24 hours without food and water. I have already told you the meaning of survive. Do you remember? Yes, it means to stay alive. Means that if Benny is hungry and it does not get anything to eat or drink, then it cannot live more than a day. Benny is a fast flyer and it can fly everywhere. Do you ever want to fly, students? Yes, I do want to fly sometimes, and I like this thing about Benny, that it can fly fast and wherever it wants. So today we have learned about the life of a bat. And do you remember what is the name of that bat? Yes, it is Benny. So now, students, let's have a quick recap of the passage we have just read by using five-finger retell method, and in that we are going to start with our thumb, and it says main idea. Main idea means the point about which the passage has been written. So, what is the main idea about which the passage is written? Yes, the life of the bat. So the main idea of the passage is the life of a bat, and this is not a common bat. This is a special bat whose name is Benny. Then we have discussed some facts about Benny's life. First, its features. That how does it look like? Do you remember about its wings and eyes? Yes, it has wings to fly and its eyes are small. Second, its eating habits, that it likes to eat bugs. And third, its sleeping pattern, that it sleeps during the day and wakes up at night. And during the reading of the comprehension, we have found some interesting facts about Benny, that it hangs upside down and uses its hearing ability to find its food. Now, my dear students, let's answer a few questions based on the passage we have just read. Moving towards the questions, the first is, who is Benny? Second, what does Benny do at night? Third, what kind of bugs does it like to eat? Fourth, how does Benny sleep? And here, my dear students, I am only going to do the first one for you, and the question says, who is Benny? Remember, who is Benny? Yes, Benny is a bat. My dear students, don't forget that the answer here starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now, for the rest of the questions and their answers, you have to go back to the passage and find it yourself. Now kids, let's do something interesting. We have to fill in the blanks. The first is, Benny has dash eyes. Second, Benny is a dash flyer. Third, it can survive up to dash hours without food. And to fill in the blanks, you have to recall the passage, and by recalling that, you can fill in these blanks easily. Now consider these question answers and fill in the blanks as your home activity, and you have to do it on your workbooks. Make sure students that you do this homework, because in the next class of comprehension I am going to check if you have done or not. We will tally the question answers and fill in the blanks. My dear students, I hope it was easy for you to understand the comprehension, and now you know about Benny's life. Thank you.